flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none left. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none left. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't none left. Going till there ain't none. Keep the flame on. Gotta keep the flame on. Gotta keep it. Gotta keep it. Gotta keep the flame on.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a while. It's been a very long while. But I figured it was time to do another vlog. And I'm down in West Virginia for the Royal Rumble. It took me a few times to say that right, but I'm down here for that. And I thought this would be a cool time to maybe bring you guys along. Try and keep it low-key, just doing all this on my phone. But get some cool shots for you guys and just kind of let you see the behind the scenes of what I'm still learning as the action sports photographer. Still a lot of things going on. The competition's about to start today, so we're gonna get that rolling, and hopefully it's gonna be a good day. I'll stick you on a little chest mount right now, but yeah, hopefully get like a little first person view of what it's like, and I don't know, we'll see how it turns out, because man, I suck at this too. Actually ended up getting a pretty good turnout here today. Plenty of people. Some cool support to see this thing going on. But finally, I got my 17 to 28 lens on here on my A7R3. And I got a beast of a lens, which you can't see. I'll show you in a little bit. On my A7R2. So we're gonna find a spot in the truck to see what this is gonna do. Coming all the way back, man. That's some killer. These boys is good. Dude, I got a crazy setup going on today. But here's my Sigma 100 to 400 beast of a camera. The only thing I don't like is the A7R2 body, because that, for a sport like this, you need super fast shutter speed, and the high on this is just not fast enough for this. There's plenty of sunlight here today, so I'm not worried about that. So I got it on here just to grab something, but let's see if we can get something. What's going on? See what the guys are doing. One thing that I have learned that I didn't know before is I'm on autofocus continuous. That has made a world of difference with everything. I'm probably stupid for not knowing that before, but hey, it is what it is, and you learn. It's changed the game. So a little tip. Probably everybody else knew that already, but like I said, I'm still learning this and just trying to do my best. I think I'm going to reposition now. So this place is pretty awesome. It's slowly developing, but they've got like cabins. They've got like an old school. They've got, oh no, you probably can't tell with the GoPro, but down here they've got like a little mountain bike trail. So they keep developing this place, and they keep bringing it up. So it's doing awesome. And this is like, I think, the first major event that they've had. But anyways, I cannot tell you how awesome a family A, this camp feels like, and B, how awesome this place is. But I'm thinking,
anytime they take the handlebars and spin them in a 360
we'll start out here,
they call that a bar
get some
spin.
good wide angles. I got some good leading lines right here.
In an X fashion, that's called an X.
Start out here and then kind of see what happens from there.
That's a tail whip.
Because I got this here, then I got a good view heading down the rest of it right here.
Christian was the youngest in the world to land a
So I like this spot and that other spot right there.
At 17 years old.
But I don't know which one they're going to choose.
And so
I'm taking a risk. I think most people are going to take the whale tail. So,
Christian Earhart, drop in! Yeah, Christian.
seriously.
Yeah, bar spin off the flat drop, tail whip in, back flip on the wheel tail. Just get the left hip through. Big old Suey, holy smokes. Other stuff, give it up for him. Here he goes, 360 down the flat drop, tail whip in, catching it clean. Oh yeah, the California dropping in next, representing Bonania. Off the flat drop, bar into the whale. 360 bar spin, they call that a truck driver.
Yeah, this lens is much better suited. All right, so what I'm doing, it's got 2875 and then 100 to 200 on here. Leave them both on.
All the way from California. And let's
see how this
Marcus
works.
has got. For Marcus, he's opting for that shark spin. The cannon line.
One thing that I've learned is in order to kind of capture the whole speed of the thing, I've been lowering my shutter speed to about 1/60th of a second and adjust everything else accordingly to it. But as they're coming along, I line them up directly in the center.
All right, Seattle next.
And then as they're going along, I'm usually like at F11.
Kai Branham, he's from
I do that,
Seattle,
and
Washington.
if I follow them, they stay with the camera like this. So it ends up being like
Glenn Jean from
they're in
Charleston.
focus.
Somebody
but
give this a guy a ride
everything
back
else
to
is
the
blurred
airport.
out.
Seriously,
It just
that's
kind of shows the
ridiculous.
speed.
Oh my
Same thing
goodness.
with cars.
Ridiculous.
But
again, Kai's gonna drop
1/60th
in next,
of a second has
and,
been like
he's all the way from
the prime
Seattle,
spot for
Washington.
this right now.
We're ready
So we're gonna
for
see
him.
how
Are
this
you guys
rolls.
ready for him? Give it up for Kai. Yeah, bar spin off the flat drop. Oh, inward table coming in.
All right, so we just finished taking a break. They went through all of the qualifying rounds and now they're into the finals. So it's been quite the learning experience. It's been really cool to see everybody from the youth to the women to the men just going through and like trying the best. We've seen some really amazing athletes here today. But right now, the juniors are just finishing up their finals. We'll see who wins that. And then we'll start with the women's and go on to the men's. And that'll kind of pretty much be it for the day. Yeah, once we do that, then the day's over with. And then we've got tomorrow where they announce the winners of everything. So it's gonna be a cool experience. It's been an amazing learning experience for me, for sure. So just kind of see how it goes. And that guy's looking at me, so it's kind of weird right there. You know, it is what it is. If I don't do this, then I'll never do it, so gotta learn somehow. So that's where I'm at. Hopefully, I've been able to kind of show you guys a lot of stuff, what's going on, and you've had fun watching. So I'm gonna get back to it, get away from this thing so I don't feel so awkward, and yeah, keep on rolling.
keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on. Gotta 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 keep the flame on. Keep the flame on.
Alright guys, I just finished up and I need to head back home, but it's been an insane time here. Today was like one of the greatest days because it was just a free-for-all. The guys just had fun. They had the whip contest, and then now I'm down on the big bag just doing some insane things. So I hope I got enough footage of that. If not, sorry, but it's hard to do like the vlogging thing and to do video for the company and to do photo for it. So it's hard to do, but the more practice the better I'll get. So right now I'm just gonna say, hey, thanks for watching, and hope everything was entertaining. Hope you guys learned some stuff, and yeah, just keep on I guess. So I don't know, do what you do and have fun doing it. There you go. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.